man give me cocky your fashion. Pussy give me joy, you know see that the
That don't go past me, so well on there. But if we got nowhere in the video yet and them a deal with me, so. What's up YouTube, it's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka The Reaction Blast. Straight out of Jamaica. Now we're with another reaction for you guys. We'll have Masicka, Blessing. You understand? This is a throwback reaction. This was requested by Nadine, one of my subscribers. You understand me? She requested a hell of videos to me, but you have to understand I didn't say all video them, my dog. You understand? But some of them is a vibe. So if I react to that video real quick, I don't remember what that video go, but a Masicka Blessing like 10 months ago. It's not really that old. It's a long time. You understand, people? So run up on the like button, comment on this video to see your comment in the next video. We all know I see that video already. Just remember how it go. You understand? But if you don't see what I go on, look for the girls as usual. It's a Sunday. So we're going to hold our vibes on the Sunday. You understand? We're going to praise some hot girls on the Sunday. Right now I'm going to talk because I'm going to comment for sure. So comment for still comment in the next video. You understand? Like the video. We post every day. Few to 3 to 4 times for the day. It's the first video for the day. We don't know how much more we're going to drop today. But I want to say thank you guys for the love and support as usual. The 10K is looking real. Not lying. How much more? Like 700 more subscribers or 600 more? We don't know. We don't know the time of the record because we're trying to grow so fast, dog. Thanks. Like the video, make the video get recommended to more people. Let's get straight to this video right now, guys. Because we're going for Masicka Blessings. You understand me? I try to say. You see me? I say Squirrel Entertainment presents. Are you ready? Hold on, are you ready? No, are you ready? Already? Go on!
So I gotta do this again.
Them outside, right? Go on, go on. Oh, guys, if you want to watch this video, don't me pause it. Link to the original songs down below in the description, don't it? No come out for the reaction, boss, don't. I run through them, man. I admire before I go back in the video because right now I want to see you like a girl. Make sure I admire before I go back in the video because you feel say reaction boss I can just run through the video stand up premature boobies. Yeah baby, alright go on. Go on because I stay up here for the whole of the video. J Will.
Oh, I live inside of you.
Ooh. I said that coach is good, you know. Because man, so I live in that, you know that. Yo, let you start it. I not start it. Go on, I not start it.
You tell me last night, so this is the last time. So you want me fuck you like a committer. Last night, so this is the last time.
Disappear. No Charlie Booze are people. Go on.
So you want me fuck you like a committer ass crime. Put up on the bed for the edge when you start wine.
Hold on there. The girl said she say he want to knock her like she commit a rotted crime. You know say some wicked something that in the wall grab throat and stab out rat. You know grab it throat that guy so walk it. You know. Look pam pum yeah. You could tattoo belly big dog girl but the tan good see him yeah. Yeah, alright. Go on!
Mark my words, you was something them can't find. 1 in a million best pussy of all time.
This lip pick them outside. We all know the song in the video, I see my react to today, you know. We all know the song, you know, you understand?
You want me fuck you like a
commit a mass crime. 1 in a million. Alright, see you now. I don't want to see in a slow motion. I want you more see now. More see that beer when she walk in sexy. So I girl look a slow motion action. Walk in for me, baby. Walk in, baby. Walk now. Well on, man. Masicka. More see she. Jump back the scene now. Cut in. Cut the scene, the dog. Yeah. Yeah, make a slim something there. So when you get them, because something back shot a beer there, say, you know, and the fatty don't listen, and the fatty don't make back shot, make nice when you get them, man. You see them like a slim one, too. You see, the body does, you know, it's slim and movable. You know what I mean? You can shake it. You know what I mean? You see, be nice, man. Go on. Walk in, baby. That's good, yeah. Yeah. You know, that's good, a blood clot, I lie me, I tell, no? I lie me, I tell. Why me I tell like on the girl, them? I lie, me I tell today. You not tan good. Sorry. You don't want tan good. Go on!
Love it when you dip and give me cocky your fashion. Pussy give me joy, you know see that the
That not go pass me so well on them. I think God know when the video yet and them a deal with me so. It's a nice little scene that I rate that scene there, but that video like you have to watch it in a slow motion. Go on! Yeah! Whoa! Nice little bend over curvaceous sexiness. Man, yeah. Yo, Masicka. No, Masicka. Go on!
keep it real, but I play with the boss man.
Hey!
It's such a
Blessing.
blessing, girl.
She not tan bad. She alright. She have it. You understand? If she have it, just comment some fire in the comment section. She have it. Go on.
Who the fuck you finna
Rest of my life. No one like this. She a move. She a move in the water.
A blessing.
If you kiss that girl, let me conk in the head. I think that they kissing every day, you know. Yes. Me directed every day already, Nadine. You sure? Oh, the Jevlon if you don't do that, boy, then kissing her. Go on.
Blessing. Yes, such a
Blessing girl.
Who the fuck you for the rest of my life?
We are actually
It's such a
ready.
blessing.
Come on, conk in there. Masicka touch that even one of them girl in that video. I listen to that video with that talk about that. So Masicka touch none of the girl in that video. None of the girl in man touch that video. The man just did that video dog and touch none of the girl. What's your go on? Monsieur will do the reaction dog.
Like you want the leader, girl, you want
Man, if all the girl them kiss each other, feel up each other, finger up each other, and him touch none of them. He just there by himself and a flex and a go on. But look on the girl do. Look on the girl do.
like you want the leader, girl, you want the
Masicka
queen.
dog,
Don't
you
me no
want
need a girl, your pussy so
Yeah.
clean. Like me
You see? Masicka because all them something and not even touch not even one of them girl. Me tell you no. Me tell you no. Not even one of them they touch. Go on.
with a breed that take you out of the scheme. Put you up on the hillside, I'm counting the green.
You hear that? That's my for them girl. Them girl. You see if you never finger up and rub up on each other so more that period no different. But me can't look on them again because you're not going too close with each other now, so me can't look on them again. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. You understand? I'm so sorry. Go on.
Pussy that you're blessed
Watch
if
it.
you know what
Yeah,
I
like
mean.
bend over and
Don't
turn
you
her
back
for
here, this alone.
and then a bag about actually I feed up girl butt or Masicka that. Not even Masicka that. I get a feed up girl so. You understand that? If you remember watch no! Mr. Masicka TV touch one of the girls in that video, dog. Not even one of them. Watch the video.
Wake up on your room, now my dream. It's such a
Blessing, girl.
Who the fuck you finna rest?
That's what I want for the rest of my life. I want that. She can't get it. Just the way I think, I said. She can't get it. Can't get it. She can't get it. She can't get it, right? Yeah, man, she can't get it. She can't get it, man. She can't get it. Rascal. What do you think, SCT? She can't get it, too? Girl in the water with makeup on, you know. Tell me, say them girl don't mean business. In the water with makeup on. Them hot, no. But she can't get it, too, man.
You're such a
Blessing, girl.
Who the fuck you for the rest of my life? You're such a blessing
Masicka, touch the girl, them, no, man. One back with it.
to you, girl.
Watch. In the water with girl lot done. In a bedroom with girl lot done. And Masicka, which one Masicka for the video them people? Watch what go on. I'm telling you, no react to the video, no react to the video, dog. Watch it, dog. Watch it. Can't bother them girl. Them did that go back and pray baby a while ago, dog. But me see this a go on now, dog. How me for do? Me not go back, dog. No, go back, brother. We better go back and pray my girl a while ago now. But me see this sitting here going to the dog. Me can't matter them woman, dog.
With them last night, so this is the last
Look
time.
when them something, dog. Them perfect sexy girl in the water with each other do them sitting the dog. And Masicka, you feel hold them weird the dog. Masicka, what? Dog. Go on, dog. Watch all them big body girl going up to the next year. Masicka, look on the girl about. I forgot go back. I never did go back in that because them girl just. But them big body girl. Me I rub it in her face to that. Watch out. I rub it in the face. Slow motion, big body girl going on bed to her next pretty backside girl. Slow motion, I rub it in her face. Watch there. You see that say? Post a Masicka there, that she go to Masicka with. That scene that body, you know. Every day they way more views now. Every day only the 700 views, dog. Mad LOL, real country man for real. Big up yourself from over Guyana, the son, dog. You see me? Yo, Masicka, dog. Go on back in there. Why, oh boy. Earth. Me play it Earth. Go on.
Man, give me cocky your fashion. Pussy give me joy, you know see that the past line.
Yo, can't find it. I go say, watch out, girl. I feel up, girl press. Girl, better up. You know say them are rope catches now. Now fire them are catching in the bed there. Now. Fire them are catching in the bed. Fire. Me still watch you with the same as you touch them now. Me still watch you with the car. I come see gonna love woman.
Yeah, with the boss man, girl. It's such a blessing, girl. My life, a blessing.
Let's show you what go on in the world right now, you know, with them pretty girl, you know. You see me, I say, let's show you what go on in the world with them pretty bumbucklet woman there. You see me? I say, I can know say that Masicka of the girl them I do before I body them, you know. Alright.
A blessing, girl. A blessing. Blessing.
Masicka. Bumbucklet. No, I'm done. But no, I'm going to do real quick. I'm going to search and see if I react to that video already, dog. Tyrekevlogs. Blessings. Oh, you're lucky.